In today's financial environment, choosing a platform is no longer just about access to markets. It's about understanding the philosophy behind how trading and investing are approached. MNCTN Global positions itself around a structured view of markets, one that prioritizes macro awareness, execution discipline, and long-term consistency over short-term speculation. At its core, MNCTN Global is not just about providing tools to execute trades. The focus is on creating an environment where decisions are based on market structure and capital flow, not impulse. Modern markets are complex. Multiple asset classes interact simultaneously, and isolated analysis often leads to incomplete conclusions. This is why the platform's approach is built around context, understanding how different parts of the market influence each other. A central element of the MNCTN global philosophy is tracking where capital is moving. Markets do not rise or fall randomly. Capital rotates between sectors, regions, and asset classes based on economic conditions, liquidity, and risk perception. Instead of focusing only on price, this approach emphasizes why money moves and how those movements create opportunities. Short-term price fluctuations often create noise that distracts traders. The MNCTN global perspective prioritizes macroeconomic drivers such as interest rates, inflation, and global liquidity. These factors shape long-term trends and provide a clearer framework for decision-making. By focusing on macro context, traders can avoid reacting to every minor movement and instead align with broader market direction. One of the key principles is discipline. Trading decisions are treated as part of a system rather than isolated actions. This includes defining risk, understanding entry conditions, and maintaining consistency across trades. The goal is not to predict every move, but to operate within a structured framework that can perform over time. Markets today are interconnected. Forex, commodities, indices, and digital assets often influence each other. The philosophy encourages a multi-asset view, where traders analyze relationships rather than focusing on a single instrument. This broader perspective helps identify opportunities that may not be visible within one market alone. Strategy alone is not enough. Execution determines whether a trading idea translates into real results. Reliable order processing, stable performance, and predictable behavior during volatility are essential elements. Execution is treated as part of the strategy, not as a technical detail. Risk is not something to eliminate, it is something to manage. The MNCTN global approach emphasizes controlled exposure, consistent position sizing, and awareness of market conditions. This allows traders to remain active in the market without being overly exposed to unpredictable movements. MNCTN Global represents a structured approach to trading and investing in 2026. It focuses on capital flow, macro context, disciplined execution, and risk management. Rather than chasing short-term results, the philosophy is built around consistency and understanding. In a market environment where complexity continues to grow, success increasingly depends not on speed alone, but on clarity. Knowing what you are doing, why you are doing it, and how it fits into the bigger picture.